Do you feel inflamed? If that's the case, do not let yourself believe that cortisone injections and steroids are all that you can do to resolve the inflammation, because you can do it naturally. And the best way to do that is starting with gut health. Gut health is crucial because 80% of your immune system lives in your gut. Inflammation comes from the immune system. So it naturally follows that we got to start with optimizing gut health. And your microbial ecology is foundational for this. That's the balance of good and bad bacteria in your gut. We obviously want more good bacteria and less bad bacteria. So if we're going to do that, we're going to take the important considerations like minimizing antibiotic use as much as possible, because that doesn't discriminate bad guys from good guys. It's going to take the good guys out too. So you want to minimize that when you can. You want to get all the junk out of your diet, because that's going to feed the bad bacteria. And you want to bring all the good stuff in, all the nutrient-dense foods that are going to help the good bacteria flourish, like the fiber-rich foods, probiotic-rich foods, or probiotic supplementation. Probiotic-rich foods are things like kimchi and sauerkraut, pickles, but not the ones from the shelves, so those are shelf-stable. They've been processed and killed all the good bacteria. You want the ones in the refrigerated section. Those haven't been processed and killed all the good guys. Okay, so you bring the good foods in, take the bad stuff out, and that will help your microbial balance to optimize and help your immune system flourish and minimize inflammation. So that's step number one. Another thing is managing your stress, because your brain and your gut, I may be a functional medicine doctor now, but I started out by studying neuroscience in undergrad, and there are thousands of nerves that connect your brain to your gut. So stress, emotion will alter your gut function and your immune system. So anxiety, depression are actually more of an inflammation problem than a neurochemical imbalance issue. So again, this all comes back to helping yourself just calm and be mellow and take the stresses of life in stride, because you can't control the stresses in life, but you can control how you react to them. And as you learn to do that and you flex that muscle, that mental muscle, with meditation and activities that help your mind focus, you will feel different. You will feel your mind feel more clear, your emotions feel more stable. And we see a lot of women, especially, we work with mostly women, a lot of them who have mental, emotional concerns like anxiety and depression. And when we work with optimizing their gut health, it affects their mental, emotional health. But more importantly, vice versa. As they work on the mental, emotional health, the stress relief habits, processing emotions, the digestive symptoms abate. They go away, they improve. And that is true far more times than not. Okay, so summary is, if you feel inflamed, gotta optimize gut health by getting the bad stuff out of the diet, start consuming only foods that are nutrient dense, and get stress under control. Practice stress management habits daily, meditation daily, exercise. All these things will help to even you out.